Here's how you can convert a PDF to Word on Android phone. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can make it work. If this is your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So, of course, you have more ways how you could basically achieve this. For example, you can just look up an app on the Play Store, which is going to convert the things, right? So you will have the ability to look up like file converter, where you import the PDF and export it in a Word format, right? So there are plenty of apps which can get the job done, but this is personally not the most or the most favorite option of mine. What I like to do instead is I would just make sure that I have the Microsoft Word app installed on my device. And then when I go to the Files app and locate some PDF, you can see that it asks me which app I want to open it with. So I can open it through a PDF editor or some readers or cloud storage options, whatever. But you can see that there is the Word app as well, and there are actually two of them, so it gives me the ability to open it as a PDF inside of the Word document or Word app, or convert it actually into actual Word file type and just turn the PDF into Word and actually edit it right away inside of the Microsoft Word app. So that is, I think, the best option when it comes to the majority of people. I like that one the most. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I would really appreciate your feedback below. For now, that's it, and I'm gonna see you in the next videos as well.